Welcome everybody to part 5 for mapping for zombies. In this part I'm going to show you how to create the zombie waypoints. Alright, the first thing you need to do is download Rotu 1.15 mod, because we're going to use this mod to create the zombie waypoints. The mod that I use is the FNRP one, so you can grab it from this IP here. Alright, once you got the mod, let's open up the compile tool and start adding waypoints to your map. To do that, you're going to use these custom command lines. I'll add a link down below so you don't have to type all this out. I got one for creating waypoints and one for testing your final map. So all you want to do is, first off, you want to make sure where it says mods \, make sure this is whatever you named your mod. Since FNRP named Rotu 1.15 FNRP, that's what goes there. And the second part is all the way over here where it says devmap mp_, make sure this is your map name. Alright, so let's copy this and put it in your custom command line. From there, just go run selected map. Alright, once the map loads, just click survivor, click any class, just click the first option. It's okay if you get this error, that's no problem, just hit exit, and then you'll be in your map. First thing you need to do is to set a waypoint is to left click the mouse button. If you notice in the bottom left it will say waypoint. To tell that you added one, just turn around, you'll see the green line. So let's add another one, just like that. Alright, to connect the waypoints, you gotta hit F or the use key. Once you do that, the waypoint will be white. Go to the second one, hit F, and a blue line will connect it to. So basically, let's just set this up. So let's just create waypoints. Just click, click. And think about when you're creating waypoints is pretty much like a track that the zombies are going to follow. So what I like to do is think of how the players are going to move across the map and create waypoints like that. So click, just left click, keep creating. Now what I like to do is just hit F, 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 just like that. Just keep connecting them here. Just like that. And now you can see we're creating a track. What you can also do is click F, hit used, just like that. Here you go, over there. Oh, missed that one. And click it like this. So the track now has options. As the zombie comes here, the zombie has a choice to go left, to go right, or to go straight. Say you make a mistake and you want to delete waypoints. All you gotta do is right click on the waypoint and it gets deleted. If you don't click the right button again on your mouse and you go over the next waypoint, it'll delete that too. So to stop that, just click it again. So to reiterate what I just said, to delete a waypoint, right click, and then right click once more. This way you don't start deleting waypoints once you go over them. Alright. If you notice, there's a time limit down in the bottom left. As you're creating waypoints, you do run out of time pretty quickly. So to save your waypoints, you gotta hit E on, or basically it's your knife or melee key. I believe V is default, but for me it's E. Tap it 3 times. If you look in the left hand corner, you'll say waypoint saved. Alright. Alright, so you guys run out of time creating waypoints, you've saved your work, and you exit the game. Don't go here and start to run the selected map again, because once you go in the map, your waypoints won't be there. To get your waypoints back into your map, you're going to have to go to your COD4 directory, go to the mods, go to your 1.15 Rotu mod, and copy this file. It's called the console_mp. And make sure it's the right file, make sure it got modified just before you saved it. Alright, from there, you're going to have to create this file. Once again, I'll add this file to a download link, so you can just download it and add the information there. All you'll have to do is change this mp_ to your map name. What you gotta do is, after your map name, have _WP after it. That's important. Once you got the console_np copied, let's open it. It's a text document, so Notepad will open it. Bring it over here. All this information isn't important. The information you need is all the way at the bottom. It's this information right here. It's np your map name _wp, just like that. The information you need are these numbers right here. Remember, I saved my map 3 times, so that's why I have 3 entries. So let's open up PSPad, Notepad, or Notepad++. Copy the file you just downloaded, the CSV file. Let's delete this. This will be blank for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Alright, what you gotta do now is copy this information right here. The bottom all the way up to the first number. Just copy paste. There you go. Save your file. Once again, save it your map name. And now after that, I think that's one of them was my mods. Yep. Go back to your COD4 directory. Go to raw. You won't have this folder, so you will have to create it. Create this folder called Waypoints. Once that's created, open it up. Let's close this out. We don't need that anymore. And now let's copy your np_map name _wp file, which is a CSV file. Copy that into your Waypoint folder. Just like that. Alright, the next step is, we can close that out, open up your compile tool, go to your map name, go to update zone file, and what I like to do is just place it right under this information. What you're going to have to do is type this. It's called stringable, or string table, sorry, comma, waypoints, / your map name, pretty much the file name right there that you just dropped in your Waypoint folder. So mine's np_fnrp dark forest zwp.csv. Save it, build fast file, or once your fast file is built, you can just run select a map, make sure you still have the custom command line for creating waypoints. Once again, once you're in your map, just click Survivor, click a class, click that. You'll get this error like I mentioned before. Just click Exit. And if you look, you've got your waypoints. And now you look at bottom left, the time has restarted, and you can continue adding waypoints. Pretty much that's all you got to do for creating waypoints. But once again, once you're done adding more waypoints, you're going to have to hit E. Sorry, it's actually V for you guys, or the melee key or knife key to save. Alright, so I went ahead, added waypoints all over my map, so pretty much this is what it should look like. Remember, once you're done adding waypoints, go to COD4 directory, go to mods, go to Rotu 1.15 mod folder, grab your console_np folder or file, open that up, scroll down and get all this information. Add that to your waypoint file, your your map name _wp. Once that's done, just drag that into your waypoint folder under raw waypoints, and your map will now work with waypoints.